Hello everyone. Today's agenda is very interesting and it is creating a Tableau dashboard for the car sales data. Now the problem is floated by the company itself, and problem statement I will go through that our company is a car dealership that sells various car models. To effectively track and analyze our sales performance, we need a comprehensive car sales dashboard in Tableau. The objective here is very clear that objective of this project is to design and develop a dynamic and interactive car sales dashboard using Tableau. The dashboard will visualize critical KPIs. These are basically the key performance indicators related to our car sales, helping us understand our sales performance over time and make data driven decisions. This keyword is very important here, that is data driven decisions. So we need to formulate the problem and then create a dashboard so that the company will be in position to take data driven decisions. Now the problem statement 1, and that is KPIs requirement. The dashboard should provide real time insights into KPIs related to our sales data. This will help us to make informed decisions, monitor progress, and identify trends and opportunities for growth. Now here this is divided into 3 subcategories. One is sales overview, that is YTD, total sales. YTD is basically year to date. Then YOY, that is growth in total sales, that is year over year. Then average price analysis. Here we have the YTD average price and YOY growth in average price, and also you have at the end, that is cars sold matrix, that is YTD cars sold and YOY growth in cars sold. Now the data which I have imported here is basically this data, that is car sales data. It is having 2 sheets but only one is important, and which I'll just go through the fields over here. The data is basically body style, car ID, color, company, customer name. The date is there, only date is mentioned, so whenever we need weekly or monthly or yearly reports, definitely we have to format that field. Then the name of the dealer, dealer number, dealer region, the type of engine, gender, that is the gender of the purchaser, and then model, then transmission type, that is auto or manual, then annual income, then phone, and the price. So these are the fields. So let us go with the problem statements, that is year to date, that is YTD total sales, and then YOY growth in total sales. Now here when you want to go for year to date total sales, what fields we shall be looking for in the sheet. Say if I go for say sheet 1 here, then definitely I will go for the date field, because here only I can find the year, and then I will go for the sum of the price. So these are the 2 fields which I have to pick up here, and then go ahead with the analysis.